YouTubers. What you're about to see, the final test of Vernon VF-141's 3T22. This thing has been here for 50 years, and this video is going to be dedicated to it. But it's not going to a scrapyard. It'll be going to Dan Drager's siren collection. Everyone knows it. We all pass it, and during that monthly test, it scares the heck out of us. But hey, this thing has provided a reliable service, and I think it's time. But one last test. So, siren is a 3T22 installed about 50 years ago. Siren is about 50, maybe even more years old. But yeah, it's getting very close. I hate to stand next to this thing when it goes off, to tell you the truth. Now I'm covering my ears. Well, shooters. Sorry about the lazy camera shot, but I'm just trying to hold my ears down as much as I can, as this siren is very loud. Well, not that loud, but it scares me when it goes off. I can already hear it in my head going off, but I can't wait to hear the real sound. The true beauty of it. It's a great siren, although it can't scare me. I might as well move backwards. Already a few minutes till the siren test. Alright, get ready, you might want to cover your ears for this one. What? Yeah, you might want to cover your ears because I'm recording already. Alright, if I put this on the top of your car? Alright, there you go. Oh, yeah. 3T22. This serves as a monument to the 3T22, and we will hope to see this thing in Dan Vigga's siren collection, perhaps up here once more, maybe, sounding high-low.